Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. A while back I posted a Kodachrome film simulation recipe, and this was from the Fuji X Weekly website. And one of the top requests I had in the comments was actually to include a few sample images using that actual recipe. And now, when I originally posted the video, I had posted some images on my Instagram, thinking that a lot of people would go there to visit because it's a bit better to see pictures, but comments are spoken. So on this one, I'm going to include some samples. So what I did is I loaded the recipe back up on my Fuji X-T4, went out for a walk today, and took these photos, which I'll share. I will leave some timestamps to the images so you can skip right to those, and also to the recipe if you just want to jump ahead. But before we get to the recipe, I just wanted to share a little bit of history on Kodachrome if you are new to Kodachrome and the film simulation recipe. So Kodachrome is a brand name from a color reversal film. It was introduced by Kodak back in 1935. And it was one of the first really successful color films used for both cinematography and for still photography. For many years, Kodachrome was widely used for professional color photography, especially for images intended for publication. A lot of the magazines and print media had pictures taken with Kodachrome film. Now, due to the growth and popularity of alternative photographic materials, the really complex processing requirements of Kodachrome, and the transition into digital photography, Kodachrome really started to lose market share. And Kodachrome was finally discontinued in 2009, and the processing of it ended in December 2010. But thankfully, we can actually still create a similar custom profile on our Fuji cameras to mimic the look of Kodachrome film. Now, this Kodachrome recipe from Fuji Weekly is based on Kodachrome 64. I will share a link to their website down in the description below. Now, here are a few sample images I took using this Kodachrome film simulation recipe. Now, if you want to set up your Fuji camera to simulate Kodachrome 64 created by Fuji X Weekly, here is the recipe. If you're new to recipe simulations, there is a link down below. Again, lots of links down below. There's a link down below which will show you how to add them to your camera. If you have any questions, as always, leave me a comment. Thanks again to Fuji Weekly for creating and sharing this simulation. Make sure you do check out their website. They have a ton of other different film simulations on there. If there is a certain film simulation you want to see in an upcoming video, let me know as well in the comments. If you haven't subscribed yet and you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and following along. If you liked the video, hit the like button. I will see you all in the next video, and enjoy your day.